Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's my video is how can we apply a UK standard visitor visa, and it is having many options for 6 month and for 11 month and 12 month, and there's many category. And so now today we are going to show you the maximum 6 month stay of the UK. And for your if your first time of UK visa, you can apply for a standard visitor visa in the 6 month. It's a better option. Don't apply any of them like 2 year or 5 year or 10 year, because it will be a trouble for you visa from first time you're issuing. It's a long, it's normally the applicant always recommended a first time visiting standard visitor visa. It's just 95 euro, and it's almost 6 months you can stay in the country. And and this is for medical reasons, and this is for academic reasons. Okay, so we are talking about a visitor visa. So you can see here long to a long team say standard visitor visa. Okay, we will do a lighter video from us like a 2 years and 5 years. Yeah, well, if you need, you can comment us for, if you need, we can do for you. So today we are going to process standard visitor visa. So there is a option apply online. So you can select our language. There is a Hindi and there is all Iran language Arabic. So I'm selecting here English. Just, yeah. So you can say, so we can just type our country which you are making the application, which country you are making the application. If you're staying in the UAE, you can select the UAE. So if you want, you can select whatever countries where you're staying. So I'm going to here select Indian. Okay, next. So you must check the availability of biometry enrollment. It means after once your application done, you should be check what is the next appointment location. It's normally in Delhi, Bombay, some Chennai, and there's some places. Okay, I have checked the biometric, so we can let check it. Okay, wait. So we can give it for continue. So this visa we can use for a tourism and business and the transit, and we can, if you want, we can extend the depending of any academic visitor, and we can manage of any civil partnership or private medical treatments, short-term study, something we can do. This is all, and we cannot do any job or enrollment working. Okay, so we are going to apply here. You can start here. Start now. There is a six total step is there for completing this application. So first of all, we have to check our mail id. We have to register our mail id. Okay, okay, okay. Finally, just recheck your mail id, then you can continue for save and continue. If you want to change, you can change that. And what does the mail address is, you save and continue. And now the operation email, do you have other email? No. If you have other email, you can just put S and you can just type your other email address. Provide your mobile number, and where do you use the telephone number. Select whether this home is work or telephone number. Okay, so you can see here I just type my mobile number and just include the area code of the country. Then you can see where you use the mobile number. So I'm just using out of the UK. If you have any inside the number of the UK, you can just put here. Okay, and select the whether in this in your home or mobile or work telephone. I just select your home telephone and mobile telephone number. And if you're using for this numbers for business, you can select this option. Okay, save and continue. If you want, if you can, if you need, we can help for the this application. Just contact us. My number on I will give on description. Do you have any other number? If you have, you can just type yes or no. Contacting you will be by the telephone. Are you able to contact by telephone? I can be contact by telephone and SMS. Okay. Yeah, are you able to contact by telephone? If you can able to SMS and telephone. You can just choose this. If you are not able to SMS, you can select this. Okay, I'm just selecting here this option and give your details, your name, full name, and your family name, given name, and this is family name. It means like a surname. In your passport, you can see it. Just I enter my name, given name. This actually I'm just doing here sample video of this. Okay, save and continue. Any other name? Do you have any marriage and after the profession? No. If you're married and if you are like a females, if you're married and if you have like a husband name, you can add here. If you don't have, you can add here. No. Your gender and your relationship. Okay, you are a male or female or unspecified. You can select. I'm male. What is your relationship status? Single. There's as many options. I'm selecting here single. Okay, just type your address and your postal code and your country, town, city. Is your address is cooperative? We can be able to should be addressed with which is your passport will be delivered in this passport address and should be correct your passport address. Okay, and actually this passport issued in India, but I'm currently staying in United States of America, and I'm provide my USA details and as of my postal code and my country. So far, I'm resident here legally, and after you can continue for save and continue about this property. How long you have you lived in at the same this address? What is the ownership of status of your home? You can have two options, which is which I selected United States. How many years I'm living in United States, and I have in a home my own, or I'm rent or other. Okay, I selected 3 years, and I own it my ownership. So you can just continue and save and continue. Your passport. Okay, here we record you enter our passport number, issue in authority, where you do from issue, and at the passport you can see issue date and the expiry date. That's all. Okay. First of all, you can see enter my passport number and please to recheck your passport number and issue another United States and apply a flood area. And please do one thing. First of all, don't mistake on this page. And this is all the mandatory. And this application you should be do all the correctly, and you can enter your issue date and expiry date. And for nowadays Pakistan and Indians and other countries it's very easy to get UK visa, and you should be try to get a visa, and you can get a once you get the visa you can get a job from them. But just try. I'm not pushing to anyone. You can just check, do you have any of valuable identity card? If you have, yes. If you don't have, no. It means not a it means you cannot a UK government ID card, any national ID. It means Indian national ID. Yes, I have it. Just one second. Okay, I just enter my national ID, and it's issued from UAE. My other card is issued from United Arab Emirates on 2020. And actually, in the other card, there's no expiry date, so I'm just continuing. I'm trying to save. Yeah, it's possible. Okay, and for, then we have should be then we should type a country of nationality and country of birth, place of birth, date of birth. Okay. Okay, I have completed my say nationality Indian and country of birth United States of America and place of birth Tampa, Florida. And date of birth is 1999, 11th month, day 1. Save. Your other nationalities. If you hold other than in Indian nationality, you can just enter yes, it's no. And I don't have any other nationality, no. Your employment status. What is your employment status? Employed, self-employed, a student, or retired, unemployed. Employed. employer name, employer address and town, city, state, postal code, country, employer telephone number, date of start working or for this employer. Okay, just give your company name, company address, details. I just enter my employer name, employer address, town, state, postal code, and country, employer telephone number, date of started working on this employer. And next is your job. So your job title, how much do you earn each month after tax? Describe your job. So I just type here your job title, HR, and how much do you earn each month after tax? £5,000. And describe your job. I'm a HR manager of the company. Okay, finally, just continue for save and continue. Now your income and savings. So here you can just you can know, do you have any other income or say any savings? And other option, or I do not have any other incomes. So I'm not having any other incomes. Save and continue. About the cost of your visit, how much you are personally planning to spend in on your visit to UK. Okay, just the one of the good thing is you should be don't put in the low cost. You should be like a minimum of the stay. You should be need at least of £10,000. Okay, £10,000 is recoverable because it is one of the it is a better for getting a visa, like a proof. But if you don't want, you can don't spend it. But I mean, here put in 10,000. It is one of the easily to get a visa from UK government. What is the total amount? How much you can spend each month? GBR 2,500. Then planning paying for your visit. Will anyone paying for this visit? And including paid employer and company. If you have given money, no. You can just continue. No. Your plan and travel information, date of your plan to arrive in UK, and date of plan to leave UK. So I'm planning for 6 months of the visa. Then you should be. And just type it my year, month, day, 10th. I'm sorry, 3. Yeah, 2023. Okay, just save and continue. Spoken language preference. English. Main reason for visit. What's the main reason for visit to UK? Tourism, including family visit and friends. Transit to UK. So I'm just selecting here tourism. I'm sorry. Save and continue. Main reason for your holiday visit. What is the main reason for your holiday visit to UK? Tourist. Or if you have any friends, it's one of the good thing is you will get the visa like easily. If you have family, it's easily. So I'm here typing tourist. Give details of the main purpose of your visit and everything anything else you can plan to do in your trip. See tourist and short stay for your information. Okay, there you can type here. So I given here some of the details. Like I'm planning going to UK, and that's some of the details. So and I will this the which is I write in here. I can give in the description, and you can just copy and paste it. And maybe in the description you can't copy, then I can give in the comment box also. Okay, thank you. So just I'm giving for 7, and you can do your activities. In the your activities, in here we can write here review your answer. Yeah, there cannot be non-English or special. Okay, well. So in this special character, special like English is only allowed, non-English is not allowed here. So we can just replace it here. Okay. Then the people financially depending on you. Okay. In here, the school including children under 18, children or 18 who live with you at home, children who you look after all the time, all as relative who need your accommodation or the other support. No, because if you have like children's wife, something like relatives, then you should be clicking is, else you can click in no. Give details of about your first parent. And what's your parent relation to you, mother, father? Give a name, date of birth, and country of nationality. Have they always had the same nationality? It means your mother and father is same nationality. Like a Pakistan, your mother and your father is Indian citizen. Is it they all the same citizen? Then you should be still. You can click in yes. If your parents and both are different nationality, you can click here no, and you can type that country. Okay. Then you can give a name of your father and father or mother. I select here my father. So give a name, family name, and date of birth. The country of nationality Indian. Have you, they have they always had same. Okay, as of all I told you before. Just save and continue. Give details of other parents. Okay, it's about mother. Now you can write here same as of all the mother details. Before I select if my father details, and now I'm here for the submit. Once I submit like a WhatsApp a person relation to you, mother, give a name and a family name and date of birth, country of nationality, have the all same as of before we did it. Save and continue. Family who live in UK. Doesn't you have any family in the UK? It means like a civil partner of parents or children's grandparents, like a civil parent partner of family members, child sponsors, and someone anyone like if your relatives in the blood relatives. If yes, you can click here. If no, you can click here. Traveling as a part of organized group. Maybe the UK part of the organized group. It means like a two four people's like a group visiting. If yes, you can click here. If no, you can click here. I select no and save and continue. Traveling with other persons. And you are traveling to the UK with someone who is not a parent or sponsor or dependent. No, it means if you are traveling with your fam five or husband or some family members. If yes, you can click yes. Do you have any address of where you are going to stay in US? No. If yes, you can click here. If yes, whatever you can do. But I'm clicking here yes. It is a one of the better option. Else our visa will be it's a difficult to get a visa. All the details. Okay, you can submit here. After the giving the hostel details and other details, UK travel history. It means if before you have you visited in the last 10 years in the UK, yes or no. I'm selecting here no. Travel to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, or the Europe economical area. So, if you visit in these countries, you can how many times you have visited a following place of in the last 10 years: Australia, Canada, USA, New Zealand, Switzerland, European economical area. Do not include in travel to UK. Zero. I'm sorry, I'm not selecting here zero. I'm selecting uh, six more times. This is about visiting. Which country do you visit? I visited USA, and work and date of visit 2017. How long was you visit? Years, 6 years. Then you can do for 7 and details of your second most recent traveling. Which country did you visit? Okay, date of visit. Yeah, in the second I'm selected is Canada. Actually, you cannot give here false details. They will may verify your document, so they will prove if you visited, then they can know. 7 continue. World travel history. Have you been in any country last? No. It means like you if you visit like a European part, any countries, then you can click for yes. Immigration history. Anytime you refuse your UK visa, like refuse asylum or departure removed asylum, any of the ban from entry. If yes, no, you can select. I'm selecting here. Please do not select a false detail. It is may reject your visa. You can tell the here all the legal and the truth needed here. Have you ever entered the UK legally? Remained UK? No. If you are in legal in USA in UK, you can click no. If you are not in legally, you can select yes. At any time you have been in any country a criminal conviction, volunteer of no, I have never had any of this. War crimes. Even in suspension was a crime. It means any of the crime like a humanity crime. If yes or no, no. I have already know that. I have already the information about the war and crimes, including guidelines. Okay, save terrorist activity in our and views. Terrorist. Have you been anyone supported encouraging terrorist activity in the country? No. Terrorist organization? No. Have you ever been in the medium of the terrorist and violating and other serious crime criminal act? No. Have already in the terrorist and activity organization and views and including the guidelines. Actually, this is all the details, which is a criminal and all the details. Okay, person of good character. Have you ever been part of otherwise an unpaid or not non UK government, which is no interest to interest national security of UK, or it is no. Have you engaged in other activities may not encompass a good character? No. Is there any information about you behavior like us to make us aware of you? No. Your employment history. But for its intelligence service, media organization, I have not worked in this jobs. It means like a judicial, it means like a judge and like a media organization and security organization, intelligence service, government. I'm not selecting. I'm selecting. I have not worked in of job. Application information about your additional information about your application service data, and there's so many options. Add further details. Okay. And then finally, we just continue and check your answers. All the details which are all our. And actually, this is my sample video, and this is I'm not rechecking the details. Then you can continue here. Finally, then the next step 3 is documents. The passport travel documents are Jasal and Sari, and evidence of the rules and conditions. Okay, save and continue. Now there's a step 4 declaration visitor conditions. And you cannot be neglected and in present and you are not be allowed to work, you are not able to rent a home, you will not be able to claim any benefit of like I said is an or residency. You can be charged by NHS medical treatment, you can be declined of access bank account. So, as like you are a visitor and you are not allowed to work something well, but you are eligible for searching a job, and if you are they are giving offer letter to yes, you can file for a long visa. I'm the applicant aged 18 over. I'm the applicant under 18. If you are the under 18, you can click here. If you're above 18, you can click here. I'm the parent of legal condition of the applicant who is aged under 18. You can, if you are under 18 and your parents are submitting here, yes, you can click here. And now I'm submitting here above 18. I have said the above declaration. Okay, just click here, continue declaration. And now the detail is pay your visa application fees, and I'm selecting here for 6 month. Okay, and this is one of the good option is I think 5 years, but we cannot apply for 5 years because this is our first time visit in the 6 month of UK. And if you have like a 6 month visa, old visa in the 10 years, yes, you are eligible for apply any of the category. But now I'm going to apply for a 6 month. Save and continue. And there's an option to pay almost 9,967 INR into rupees. Decision work within 15 days after attending the biometry. It means once you get the application and once you get the appointment after paying, you will get the appointment, and it will take up to 15 working days, and you will get the decision if you will get visa or no, or it will be rejected. UK visa and immigration will contact you if it take more longer process your application. It means if the above 15 days, they will UK embassy will call you, or you will say UK consulate will call you for it will take longer time. So you can continue for save and continue option. And now your payment step, and just answer application is for visitor. And here you have an option for continue to mailed pay. It means mailed any credit card or any application is allowed to pay here. And now you are need to pay any of the accounts. You can check out from Google Pay, Visa, Mastercard, Mastercard, Amex, any of the options like a PayPal. Okay, this is my video, and have you liked it? You can subscribe and like and share the video, and you can just type all the details, and once you submit all the details, automatically the email ID will get the application and the appointment, and you can fix the appointment date, and you can fix the appointment location and everything. Then you will be get the appointment date, and have a good day. Bye.